everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I want to give you a tips how the way you can get match out transitions on the CapCut application. So I already have these two clips. This one is the first clip could be the clock and the second one is the bicycle. So here let's just show you the tips. Tap into this second clip and then you just need to make the second clip here become an overlay clip by swipe this feature on the left side and make it become an overlay. Now we just need to drag this overlay clip to be like a little bit more blended with the first clip, and the next again tap into the overlay clip right here, and then we just need to find the opacity just to make the clip become transparent here, and then you just need to like make the overlay clip become transparent. And for the next thing you have to do is just go click this checklist button, tap into the overlay clip, and you need to make the overlay clip bigger so that the wheel could be the same size with the clock. Perfect. And now you already got this type of transitions or this type of conditions. Make sure that the whole clip could be in the same area. And the next you just need to tap into the primary or the main clip and go click at this animation and go click out. Make sure you find a fade out transitions here. Perfect. And then you just need to adjusting to be like a little bit longer. Okay, now you get it. Go click this checklist button. And the next is we need to add the animations to the overlay clip, which is the same click animation, and you need to pick the in one and make sure you found the fade in. And then you just need to adjusting the durations too. And after you got the durations, and now just go click this checklist button. Right after that, you just need to go click into the plus button. Here, the straight line should be in the beginning and go click at the keyframe. And the next, you just need to bring into this side. And make sure that you make the transparency for the overlay clip become more intense here. So you just need to reduce the transparency like this, and then just go with this checklist button. For the next, you can also adjusting the size of the clip by making it like smaller back to the normal size, adjusting to the canvas or the ratio, and now you're done. So let's just see the result. So here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.